Everybody, Vid here. This is my Emco F1 CNC milling machine that I just restored. These machines were pretty popular in high schools across the country in the early 90s and 2000s, and now they're getting rid of them because the controllers are getting outdated, and that's how I got mine. So I put on new closed loop steppers, proximity homing switches. I installed a lubrication system, and I had to weld a stand. Actually, my friend did because I'm a shitty welder. Okay, let's turn on the sucker. And this is the electronics. This is Raspberry Pi that's used to control the machine. You would normally use a computer, but this works just fine. And here's the controller and the drivers for the steppers. I left an empty slot here, you never know. And the power supply, 48 volts for the steppers. And that's the power supply for the main spindle on the left. And these two are just for, one is 12 volts and one is 5 volts. 5 volts is for the Raspberry Pi, and 12 volts is for the controller, yeah, and for the limit switches. And this is just a board with optocouplers for the limit switches. Okay, now let's first comb the machine before we do anything. It's gonna go first on the y-axis, sorry, on x-axis, and now it's gonna go on a y. Okay, and now it's gonna go on z-axis. Maybe I could increase the speed just a little bit. Okay, the machine is combed. Okay, now maybe we could just run some test code, but first let's increase the feed rate. How do you do that? Oh, you just type in F. 1000 will be fine. And let's load the program. Here, Rocket 1, I think that's it. Okay, and just click start, and let's increase that just a little bit, so it's not going to go too slow. Okay. Okay, now let's turn on the spindle, but first let's set the RPM to 2000 will be fine. What am I doing? Yes, 2000, and M3 to turn it on. Okay, and let's go to 8000, that's the actual maximum speed. Oh. Okay, S. I can type. Maybe I should close that. Okay, let's turn it off. M5. Okay, that's pretty much it. If you have any question, down below in the comments.